Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI MatePad Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the app gallery. And now here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. Now we should get this first application. That's why tap to get, tap to install, click consent and tap to download. Wait a little bit now while this application downloading, and then we'll installing the application on our device. Now click here allow and tap to install. We can see that Ampere app successfully installed, and now let's open it. Here we should click to yes I agree, be close, tap to OK. Once again let's open it, tap here to OK, and now we can see here that the temperature of our device battery is 30 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, level, capacity, voltage, Android version, model of our device, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.